Recording your iPhone screen but getting no sound? Let's fix that in seconds. Let's start with enabling the microphone. For this, swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Now tap and hold the screen recording icon. After that, click on the microphone icon to enable it, and it will turn red. Now, start the screen recording on your mobile and sound will be recorded. After recording, open the screen recording and check whether the sound has been captured. If it is not recorded sound, then the volume might be low. Now, open the Control Center and look for the volume slider and increase the volume by dragging. Now check whether the sound is recorded or not. If not, then restart the device. Swipe down from the top right to open the Control Center. Next, long press on the power icon. Next, swipe the slider to the right side to power off the device. Then, press the side button and the device will restart shortly. Update iOS. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and click on General. Now, look for the option Software Update and click on it. If any update is available, then update the software. Make sure you have installed the latest iOS version on your device. Now, start the screen recording on your mobile and sound will be recorded. After recording, open the screen recording and check whether the sound has been captured. If it is not recorded sound, reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap on General. Now scroll down to find the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Then click on it. Next, at the bottom, click on Reset. Here, a few options will pop up. Then tap on Reset All Settings. Then a pop-up will appear, and click on Reset All Settings to confirm. This process will not delete any of your personal data. Check Microphone. Open the Voice Memos app on your device, and tap on the record button at the bottom. Now, say something normally. Then click on Stop. Next, play the audio clip to check if the voice is recorded or not. If the voice is not recorded, then the issue is with the microphone. To fix this, visit an authorized Apple Service Center to fix the issue. And that's it.